What if you could create an entire wardrobe with just 10 pieces? Most of us own way more clothes than we actually wear, but having more isn't always better. In fact, it can clutter your mind, your space, and lead to decision fatigue. And having less to choose from can be a great way to improve your eye for styling. So in today's video, I want to show you that with the right pieces and when you know your style, you don't actually need all that much. I'm gonna select 10 of my most worn, most versatile pieces, and then I'll try to put together 10 outfits with only those 10 items. Let's get into it. Item number 1, I'll go for some classic blue jeans. Not too baggy, not too slim, just a perfect straight fit. These ones are from COS. Item number 2, the best oversized white tee on the planet. Of course, the Dessaint Pima oversized tee. I live in oversized white tees, and I created this one to be everything I want in a staple t-shirt. We are completely sold out right now, but it is still available for pre-orders for a few more days. Item number 3, some smart trousers. These ones are from Abercrombie, and they're called baggy trousers on the website, but I would classify them more as a wide leg. You could of course swap this for a slimmer cut if you prefer. Item number 4, a staple ribbed tank top in a neutral color. This is the dark gray colorway from the Skims 3-pack, and I love the fit on these. Item number 5, one of my favorite casual shirts, this flannel shirt from the brand Picante. It has a relaxed fit and works with so many different styles. Item number 6, gray sweatpants. These are from my own brand, and they are pretty much the only sweatpants I wear these days. We made them in this wonderful cotton fleece fabric, which makes them insanely comfortable. Item number 7, we'll go for this blazer from the Korean brand Le 17 Septembre. It has a slightly relaxed fit, which I prefer in a blazer. Now on to the shoes. For item number 8, we have a pair of white sneakers. These are the Orbit sneakers from Axel Arigato, but you could easily swap this for your favorite sneaker. Number 9, black leather loafers. I actually found these on Zara a while ago, and I really like the clean, minimal silhouette they have. Lastly, item number 10. I'll go for an accessory with this cherry LA cap. This has been the black cap I've been wearing the most lately. I'll put links to all of the items I'm using in the description, or at least the ones that are still in stock. Now let's get on to the outfits. Let's start with a simple, no-fuss everyday outfit. Straight fit jeans, oversized white tee, sneakers. Works great on a mild spring or summer day. This is Men's Basics 101. Now, by swapping the sneakers for loafers and adding a blazer, you instantly elevate the outfit a touch. You could even add a little fun accessory like a cap, and all of a sudden, you've got an effortless, smart casual look. Now this is the nighttime smart casual version of the previous outfit. The trousers make the look smarter, but the tank top dresses it down slightly. It's perfect for a date night or really anything with a smart casual dress code. For something more laid back, I would swap the blazer for a shirt and roll up the sleeves. Far less formal, but still put together. I'd wear something like this to a bar or a cocktail lounge, for example. Now swap the trousers for sweatpants and you get a completely different vibe. Sweatpants with loafers can be a risky move, but because the design of these loafers is so minimal that they almost look like slippers, I feel like it actually works surprisingly well. It hits that sweet spot between laid back and refined, but you really do have to find the right sweatpants, shirt, and loafers in order to pull off this look. You want the fit and design of each piece to toe that line of effortlessness and feeling put together. Comfortable, yet elevated in design and materials. This is my go-to outfit when I'm just out and about, running errands, or doing anything that doesn't require to be particularly dressed up. Change the sweatpants for smart trousers, and I now have a slightly smarter, business meeting ready outfit. Mind you, because I work in the creative industry, my meetings tend to be less formal than if you were to work in a more corporate setting, of course, which is why I can get away with the t-shirt and cap. Now we have a different variant on the blazer look, pairing it with jeans instead of smart trousers, giving off an effortless, cool professor vibe. I think this would work best as a daytime outfit. It looks clean, put together, and effortless. Okay, now we're really playing with the layers. You've got the flannel shirt under the blazer on top, denim jeans to anchor the look, and the sneakers and cap for that touch of streetwear. This one leans more into that ALD aesthetic, blending classic menswear with streetwear. Clean, elegant, without trying too hard. My favorite kind of outfit. The oversized t-shirt tucked into the tailored trousers gives a relaxed, effortless touch, while the rest of the outfit very much leans more formal. It's a balancing act between the smart and the casual, which is something I often like to come back to in my outfits. And there you have it, 10 items, 10 outfits. Hopefully this gave you an idea of how much range you can achieve with just a handful of well-chosen items. But I want to know, if you had to narrow down your wardrobe to only 10 items, what would they be? And do you feel like you've already found the best version of each item, or are there any that you would want to upgrade to improve the fit, material, or anything else about them? Let me know in the comments. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. I wish you a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one.